Hello guys, welcome to Python tutorial for beginners. Today's session is about Python variables. So we will start with what is variable. So guys, basically variable is an object in Python that can store any kind of data. Okay, that means a variable is used to store data. So basically, logically, variables are nothing but names that we give to memory cells where our data will be stored. Okay, so now we will learn how to create a variable in Python. So let's start this and just open the shell and open the file and create a variable. And the syntax is very easy. Say variable name like x is equal to and its value like 50 I have given here. Similarly, we can create another one like y is equal to another number, say 12.25. Similarly, one more variable. Suppose I want to store a name. So my variable name is name and the value I'm assigning is Neelam, which is a string and it is quoted inside single quote. So guys, these three x, y and name are my variable, and now I'm gonna print all of them one by one. So let's see, let's save the program and look at the output. So just run this program and wait to see the output. Yes, it threw an error like name z is not defined. Okay, so my variable name was not z, it was name. So I have to replace it with name, and now this will run perfectly. Okay, yes, you can look at the output. It is running smoothly. So this is how you can create variables in Python very easily. And now we will learn some more things about variables in Python. If you want, you can also create it on the shell, just like you have created on the file x is equal to 12, and when you write x, then it will print the value of x, you can see. And in shell you don't have to use print state like print function, you don't need to write print. Okay, so guys, now do some more things. Suppose I want to change the value of a variable in the letter stage. Like suppose I want to assign a new value to the x, a different type of value, okay, not an integer. Say 4 plus 0j, which is a complex number. So now the new value is of x is 4 plus 0j. So now when we print the value of x, y and name, so the updated value of x will be displayed on the output screen. So this is very easy thing in Python. You can very easily assign different kind of values to a particular variable. You can update it anytime according to your needs. And suppose in case you want to know the data type of a variable, then you have to use type function. Like you can see, I have written type and x inside the bracket. So now it is going to print the data type. Yes, you can see class complex. So type function returns the type, okay, of a particular variable. So this was the basic concepts of variable, and now we will print some more things. Yes, you can also print multiple variable values in the single line like x comma y comma z, sorry, comma name. So guys, when I run this and you can see the output, first it printed the value of x, then it took a space because we used a comma, and then again it took us and then it printed the value of y and so on. So this is how you can also print the value of variables, more than one variables in a single line. Suppose you want to create multiple variables in a single line, then that is very easily possible in Python. You have to just separate them with comma like x comma y comma z and then values accordingly. Then what will happen? Neelam will be assigned to x, and the second one, that is 34, will be assigned to y, and 80.6 will be assigned to z. So This is also a approach to create variables, and you can use it according to your requirements. And now we will print value of all these three variables and write it x comma y comma z, so we get all these variables values in a single line, just like we did earlier. Yes, so you can see the output, it is working perfectly. So now you can also print single variable, suppose x. So now it will now print the value of x only. So guys, this was the tutorial about variables. Thank you.